Here's the side hustle that I wish you knew about sooner, the NFL American Football Edition, where you can promote products from each NFL team, and you can do this as a complete beginner. You only need a couple of hours a day to get going, and you can also do this from your laptop or your smartphone. So make sure you save this video for later, and let's go. So head over to Google and type NFL Affiliate Program. Then click the NFL Shop Affiliate Program link. It will bring you to this page. Now look for the Apply Now button below. Great, you're doing really well. You should now see this page. Now what you need to do is click on the sign up button. You will then be brought to this global contracts page. As you can see, they offer 8% commissions in every region. So scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click accept. Once you've done that, you'll come up to the sign up and start earnings page. Choose how you want to sign in with either your email or one of your social accounts. I'm using a Google account for this one. Once you've done all that, you should see a page like this. This is the back end of the affiliate site called Impact. To the left is a little notification, a bell icon. Click on that. You should see something like this. Your application to join NFL Shop Global has been sent. Now you will just have to wait a few days to find out if you've been accepted. They will let you know by email. If you're not accepted, then you could try again with another email or social account. They can be a little bit picky, but keep trying. I'm just telling you like it is. Now once you're accepted, you'll be able to promote the affiliate links. So head back over to the NFL site. Then choose what team and apparel you want to promote. So I'm going to use New York Jets as an example. I just headed to the men's section, and as I can see, Aaron Rodgers jersey right here, and it has a cost of around $175. So if you promote this, for every sale of the jersey you get a commission of 8%, which is $14. But you can do this for other products, and those commissions do rack up. Nice. So head over to Pinterest, open a business account. Once done, you can start promoting your products on here using their pins. So click on create pin. Put the image of the product in here and the title and the name of the product here. Create a short description. You can use the one from the NFL site if you want. Then most important, and I repeat most important, is to put your affiliate link for the product in here. Then click publish. That's it, done, first pin created. So all you got to do now is just rinse and repeat the process. If Pinterest don't allow your affiliate links, you can use a URL shortener like Bitly. I have a video tutorial on how to do this on my profile page, so check that one out too. Now you can apply this method for any company's affiliate program. There are tons of them out there, all waiting for you to help them promote their products. So if you want to learn more about how to do all this, head to my profile for all the info you need to get started. Let's go.